After having the interview, I was really happy because I felt like me and this family connected right away. They were just the kind of family that I was looking for, a family that would make me feel like I don't miss home and I'm part of their family. Hi everybody, I'm gonna let you guys know about the amazing experience I have had using AuPairWorld and how I became an au pair in the Netherlands. Stay tuned to find out my experience. I found out about AuPairWorld on YouTube. I was watching some YouTubers and found out about AuPairWorld, and I was interested and started to know more about AuPairWorld. Once I had some information, I created my own profile on AuPairWorld. After contacting the family, I had an interview with them on WhatsApp. We exchanged numbers and decided to have a quick interview. After having the interview, I was really happy because I felt like me and this family connected right away. They were just the kind of family that I was looking for, a family that would make me feel like I don't miss home and I'm part of their family. So I was really pleased about that. And so we began the process of me moving to Netherlands. Now I will explain the visa process and how I got in contact with my agency. The family already had an agency that they have been working with for the past 2 years. So they got me in contact with that agency. Once I got in contact with my agency, they let me know which documents I had to prepare beforehand. Those documents included an apostilled birth certificate, as well as a police clearance, and lastly, medicals. And of course, you need a passport. Once I gathered all my documents, my agency then prepared my appointment at the visa office. The most important thing that I had to fill out was an MVV form, which I took with me to the embassy. Once I got to the embassy, the security was pretty tight and I gave them my NVV form as well as a passport photo. They let me know that my passport would be ready in about 10 days, which was really scary considering that I'm leaving before the 10 days. But I'm absolutely looking forward to the journey and I can't wait to go to Netherlands. Exactly 7 days left. Can't wait to update you all and let you know how it was.